हुकूमत का एहतसाब अदलिया की ज़िम्मेदारी है, मगर अदलिया का एहतसाब कौन करेगा?
सुप्रीम कोर्ट में जो सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने नोटिस लिया था फैजाबाद धरने का,
सुप्रीम कोर्ट लाहौर रजिस्ट्री में नाकस पानी अजखुद नोटिस की समाअत में चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ पाकिस्तान।
सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कराची में दस्तयाब दूध के डिब्बे लेबोरेटरी से टेस्ट कराने का हुक्म दे दिया।
17 साल के बाद अगर इस तरह से फैसले आते हैं और फिर हमने देखा कि एक बंदा गुजर गया दुनिया फानी से और 3 साल के बाद उसके मरने के फैसला आ रहा है।
I'm Hadi Aziz and I'm an advocate High Court.
My name is Mohammad Haider Imtiaz. I am an advocate High Court.
In a recent study by one of the former Honorable Justices Jawad S. Khwaja, it was seen that in average it takes about more than 25 years for a case of a civil nature to bear fruit since from the time it is brought before the court.
Oh, come on!
When there is a delay in getting access to justice, that is a violation of the fundamental right of any individual that is guaranteed to him under the Constitution.
It's judicial activism for judicial reforms. So we're asking the Supreme Court to use its powers to enforce the right to access to justice.
Through this petition, we have a very clear 4-point agenda that we are seeking to get enforced.
If you look at it in the context of the caseload that we have, the backlog of cases, a substantial number of cases which are pending before the courts are frivolous and vexatious.
Anybody who seeks to unnecessarily delay a trial should be penalized with a certain amount of cost in terms of money.
This power is available to the courts. They can impose costs under sections 35 and 35A, but these powers are not being utilized.
Perjury is basically defined as making a statement that is not true on oath. The law already provides for penal provisions on how to prosecute perjury. But again, when that is done in civil claims, the High Court has not yet made clear rules on how the same can be enforced. Left, right and center, people make statements that are false on oath, especially in order to get a stay order from the court. Later on, even if that was proved to be wrong, it would be so later on in time that that particular party would already have taken undue advantage. So we seek that High Court make clear rules to enforce the provisions of perjury as are already present in the law. We are looking for access to statistics. Article 19A of the Constitution provides for right to information to every citizen. That is also a fundamental right.
The system is not geared towards providing justice. The whole idea is to delay. There's actually a dire need for revamping and reorienting the system by prioritizing speedy justice to inculcate this culture of reducing delays, of making sure that a trial is concluded within a reasonable time.
The CPC does provide for laying out an entire time frame for a case to take on and how the time will be managed, but it's not really done in practice.
कोर्ट के 2-4 रूल रेगुलेशन अगर उनसे सीख लोगे तो छोड़ते नहीं हो जाओगे आप।
रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन कानून के फायदे के लिए बने हैं सर, इन्हें सच छुपाने का जरिया मत बनने दीजिए।
वकला और जजेस में खुद एहतसाबी की अशद ज़रूरत है। हम सारी दुनिया की तरफ उंगलियां उठाते हैं, मगर ज़रूरत इस बात की है कि हम सर जोड़ कर बैठें और पाकिस्तान के अवाम को सस्ता और फौरी इंसाफ मुहैया करने के लिए कोई लाहे अमल तैयार करें।
You can't handle the truth.